What's going on, guys? Right now we're going to be taking you through this brand new tiny home. This is a beautiful tiny home. It's just a couple hundred square feet. It is a studio. Virtue Built did an excellent job with this home. Virtue Built is a new manufactured housing builder out of Riverside, California. If you're interested in learning more about new or pre-owned manufactured homes, mobile homes, or tiny homes, make sure you leave a comment and we will send you more information. Let's get started here. They really did a nice job with this home. I love the shiplap siding all around the home, dual pane vinyl windows. There's only so much you can do with the front of a tiny home, but they made great use. It has good curb appeal, looks very nice. As you can see, the shiplap siding is all the way around the home, as well as the dual pane vinyl windows. Here in Southern California, having dual pane vinyl windows is excellent. It keeps the heat in, or in the summertime, it keeps the heat out. I'm excited. Let's go take a look. Wow, this is really nice. Remember, this is just a studio. This kitchen is excellent. But let's go over here where the sleeping quarters would be. You could put a futon, a sofa bed, or even on this wall right here behind us, you could put one of those beds that come down from a wall bed. And again, sorry, we're gonna come back over here to the right here. We've added these three ship windows. That's what I call them. Tell me what you would call these windows right there in the comment section. But again, we love this right here in the kitchen. You really have everything you need. This kitchen island is perfect size. You can fit 2 to 3 bar stools over here. We have stackable washer and dryer, overhead cabinets, and check out the stainless steel appliances. I love stainless steel or black, depending on the home and the color choices on the interior. I typically like stainless steel or black. But look at this really stylish gooseneck faucet with sprayer. That is really cool. You get a lot of modern farmhouse quote unquote style options. Let's go over here now to the back. This is a quick video. There's only so much in a home that's only a couple hundred square feet, if that. Take a look at this bathroom, quartz countertops, tub shower combo. I love the black. Take a look at the black over here. And this vanity is really one of a kind. I have not seen this style vanity at any of the manufacturers. Virtue Built is bringing new ideas to the table. Again, if you want to learn more information, leave a comment. We will get you that information. But thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. I also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button.